Hello guys, it's me, Manando The Goat, guys. So I'll be analyzing the market for you guys. So guys, I was just trying this new trading style. I want to show you if it will really work out for us. But then as I was back testing it, it's a good strategy though, guys. So okay, I'll start on the daily, guys. So what I do when I'm on the daily time frame, guys, I'll have to highlight my lowest level. I'll use a rectangle to highlight my lowest level. So that's definitely my lowest level. And then guys, I need to highlight my highest level. So this is to go as one of my highest level. So as you could see now, we are having something like this. Highest level, we have it. Lowest level, we have it. So now it's time to highlight the important levels. So this is an important level because the market made a move, and this is the important level. So again, guys, what I like to do is I like to move to the 4 hour. So as I'm in the 4 hour, guys, there's something interesting in the 4 hour. As you could see, guys, from here, I will just use my trend line 1, 2, 3. We are on the third touch, guys. So okay, again on the higher side, why we have it, we have something like that. So guys, from the 4 hour, I have to visit the 1 hour. Understand, guys? So this is just like a top-down analysis. So guys, I'll remove this horizontal line and replace it with a rectangle. So here, guys, we're going to have something like this. So you see, guys, what's interesting here, guys, is you could see that we have clear touches, So as I always say, guys, the third touch has the highest probability. So here we have the first touch. We have the first touch, guys. We have the second touch. And there was the third touch. So this was the third touch. So what really happened on the third touch, price decided to push high. So again, guys, there's an impulse matter and a correction matter. So with the impulse and correction, guys, you could see that price did what price was on the impulse and correction. Same structure that happened here, guys, is similar as the one we had here, where price gave us an impulse, then it gave us a correction, then it continued going to the what? Going to the impulse. So when I see something like this, I already know. So again, guys, what tool I can use is the trend line again from that level going inside. You could see, guys, there was a clear breakout. So I just don't want to put a lot of things in my chat, guys. So guys, this one was GBP and ZD, So guys, once you see those things, you can't unsee them. You can't unsee them, guys. I see, guys, there are a lot of people who want me to do mentorship. My online mentorship is 2,500. My one-on-one mentorship is 5,000 rand. So guys, now we're having something like this. So always trade smart, guys. I always advise people to trade smart. Stick to risk management. Use risk management. Like, stop investing the money that you're not willing to lose, guys, because that's what kills a lot of you in the market, guys. So this thing is simple. If you know that, okay, I'm not about to lose this money, don't be putting it in the market, guys, because you're wasting your funds, guys. And like, before you can say you are ready for the live market, make sure, guys, that there's some certain things, guys, that you need to be good at before you could say, I'm going to do these in the market. You get me? So guys, stick to risk management, please. Never open trades without setting a stop loss and a take profit. Like, setting those things, guys, it's one step ahead, so they, like, I have hope when you start doing those things. When you start setting stop losses and take profits, I believe that I have high hopes, you understand, guys. But then if you don't, like, you end up doing what you end up blowing, and you know that getting funds is not as easy as it is, guys. So now let's check which one can we analyze. Let's check Euro NZD. So now, guys, I'm on the Euro NZD. I'm on the Euro NZD. As always, the daily. So what happens is we have the lowest low. So we're going to highlight the lowest low in the formation of like something like this, guys, because this was the lowest low and the highest height. This has to be my highest height. Now I have my lowest low, guys. I have my highest height. You understand? So I'll just highlight important levels using our horizontal ray. Okay, we could say we have that level, and I'll take this level here as one thing because I don't want to mess up my chart, you know, guys. So from the daily, we are heading to the 4-hour. So guys, the reason price bought here, it was because this was a strong support level. You could see that a lot was going on in this level, guys. Like it was just nice, you know. So one thing I could say it happened here is you could see we had a what? We had a pattern. We had a pattern within a what? Within a pattern, because here's a pattern. So as you could see, guys, the reason price went up, it wasn't because we don't know, we did know. Understand? Because there was a situation where price gave you something like this, you know. So when price gives you something like this, just know, okay, now it went up. So okay, guys, check, ne? We reached what do you call a double top? You understand, guys? So here price failed to break. As I'm trading, my strategy says if price fails to break, it has to come down with the what? It has to come down with the impulse. Then after it gives you a correction, just know that okay, it's about to go down as sells. So now I have these, you know, guys. So I'm using my trend lines in a good way. So now I'm having that, understand, guys. So when I have that, I have to go to the 1 hour. So this is how the 1 hour is looking at, like guys. Sorry for that. The 1 hour is looking like this. When the 1 hour is looking like this, guys, just know that okay, it's about to go down. As you could see, guys, price went down. It was a little bit of an impulse. Then okay, it gives us a little bit of a correction. Here's a correction that we had. You understand, guys? A correction that we had. And then now, guys, this is the impulse that I said I got, okay, coming down. So I'll just put these here, guys. So now I know the first step that we're gonna have. This thing, it's a what? It's a selling market. I hope everyone understands how I see it. It's a selling market. Understand, guys? So when it's a selling market, we can say price can reach, price has to feel this level here, guys. Understand? So guys, that was Euro NZD, guys. So good. Like this is not my trading style, so I'm just trying a new trading style, and I feel like it's working out, you know. So now I'll be analyzing the last three. You understand? Because I don't want to do much. Maybe let me just do this one as the last one, or now let me just do it. I'll just do a few. Okay, guys. As you know, strategy is simple on the daily. There's my lowest low. And then now we just have to go to the highest height. There's our highest height. Okay, so now guys, we have to just focus on the important levels. This is an important level, guys, because this is where price decided to make a U-turn. Another important level, you know, it's all about focusing on important level, guys. And then I'll go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, guys, you could see, as I always say, I respect trend lines a lot, you see. Like now there I have good touches, 1, 2, 3, nice touches. So again, guys, I'll come here, price broke that level. So when price breaks a certain level, guys, it has to come here. And then if we were to check, price has to do this. Okay, all right. Price has to do these, guys. Price has to do these. We have to come down, guys. We go up for the last time. we come these to this level, we break, retest, and shoot down. You understand, guys? So you just need to understand the psychology behind price. So always when I analyze, I understand the psychology behind what behind price. You understand, guys? Like if you can understand that, then like to you the market would be a game changer. You get what I'm saying, guys? So this one, I can't go deep on it because it's sort of like an obvious one. So I'll be taking a trade from there. So what does it mean taking a trade from there, guys? As you all know, this is going to be the risk entry setup. So this is to be definitely my first target. Understand, guys? This is to be my first target. So this is how it is. You understand, guys? So I enjoy this new trading style, guys. To those who are willing to learn, there's always like, guys, you just need to understand price. You understand? Like if you can understand price, then you're done. I don't wanna lie, you just have to get the price. If you can get the price, then you're done. So okay, guys, now I'm analyzing Euro GBP. So with Euro GBP, this is the what? This is the daily time frame. This has to be the lowest low. But if you can check this lowest low of this chart is different from the rest. You understand? It's different. So now, guys, I have my highest height, I have my lowest low. So I can even utilize the power of trend line. You understand? You see, I didn't have much to do. I just used the power of trend lines. You see, like as these things, they do work. One of the best things that you can do as a trader is believing in your own strategy. I believe in my own work more than anyone. That's what makes me. Do you understand, guys? Like I respect myself for that. Like I'm the best because I believe in me. So guys, okay, on the 4 hour, we could see that we're having a what? We're having a double top. So guys, not always the double tops that you expect, they will be picture perfect like this, you understand? Nah, they won't be like this. Remember, this is the real market, not what you read at the book, you know? So that's why some of you can miss opportunities. You can't always see opportunities that you want to see. Okay, guys, from the 4 hour, go to the 1 hour. Do you understand? Sometimes you just have to understand that, oh, damn, I can't get everything right. You understand? And like, that's not a bad thing, guys, you know? Like, I also don't get everything right. I believe that there's always a room of learning. I just keep educating myself. You understand, guys? So now I have a pattern. So basically, guys, yeah, I'm just using simple strategies that if you could take to consideration, you'll see that making money trading is easy. So guys, yeah, here's how I have it, you know. So guys, if you don't understand how I'm doing this, you can just send your questions through, you know, guys. Send your questions through. I'll post the type of questions that you want me to do, guys. So on those questions, guys, it's gonna be worth it. Just come and comment, you know, you don't need to do much. Comment on what you want me to talk about, you know, the factors that you think that, okay, if Manando can talk about this, I guess this is a game changer. You get me, guys? So I just need that. So if there is anyone who's about to ask me dope questions, we can do it. You understand, guys? We can do it. We can do it. It's not a bad thing to be done. You understand, guys? So we just utilize it. So guys, you just have to tell me, yo, man, and I'm facing difficulties in this, you know. But then, like, one of the best strategies, guys, that you can ever get is your mindset. You know, your mindset is the best strategy. You understand, guys? So believe in your strategy. Let me show you something here. You see these here, guys? I'm just gonna use the power of trend line with everything that I see. If you were to check 1, 2 on the third break, we went up. Now we, like, understand, guys, it's the matter of impulse correction, impulse correction. I hope I'm clear, guys, and I hope everyone is understanding, you know, because Once you see those things, guys, you can never see them again. Guys, yeah, basically the life is on currencies, not I'm not a fan of those things that you're typing there. So just want to do currencies, then after currencies I'm done. I'll be uploading this video, guys, so you're safe. You're safe, guys. I'll be saving it. So guys, here's the highest height on Euro USD on the daily, and this is lowest low. So if that's my highest height and this is my lowest low, guys, what should happen now? Understand? So we're just gonna okay. Let me see. Now that's not my lowest low. Here's my lowest low, guys. See, there's my lowest low. So the point that I highlighted, let's just say, is the point where the market is right now. You know, guys. So from here, guys, which is the daily, I have to go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, guys, if I were to highlight my important levels, this has to be the highest height of the important level. Okay, let me just put it in a form of a trend or horizontal ray. It's cool. So guys, what does price say here, guys? We could see the price was on the impulse, then it gives us a correction. So we just have to wait for price to do what price. Like now, what I'm expecting from price is price to push a little bit down, so we can form that touch, then we can go up and we can, you understand, guys? So that's what I'm expecting from price, you understand? And remember, guys, what you're expecting doesn't mean it can always happen, you know? Like, it's just a matter of, okay, I think it can do this. Because even if you're to check from there, guys, we did have a break. Like, just check it, guys. We do have a break. Like this, we have a break, correction, impulse correction. So with this one, we were looking to go long. So guys, hey, Sharon, I lie. I'm tired. It was me, Manando The Goat, guys.